Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to discuss about CBO Advanced Plus Campaigns vs ABO Advanced Plus Campaigns and which ones I prefer. For all of you that you have been listening also to the podcast, you know that we had a very difficult March.
This is the worst!
It got me thinking about a lot of things, then I started testing here and there, and then the changes with the Advanced Plus campaigns came. This video is not going to be very long, it's just one update which I'm going to post as soon as I can since the day that I actually video shooted, to tell you that I have tested extensively. I have tested across 10 ad accounts the setting of CBO Advanced Plus and the ABO Advanced Plus, and they have seen that the ABO Advanced Plus is working better. For all of you that you don't know it, right now we are on May, middle of May, 24th of May, and we had this good January, medium February, very bad March, medium April, medium May so far. And what happened is that we had major changes on Advanced Plus campaigns. I'm saying all of this if you are watching the video later. Basically, the major changes is that instead of having the normal Advanced Plus campaign setup that we have, now we have a CBO Advanced Plus that we can use also different ad sets. I don't understand it. I don't know why they have done that. Advanced Plus campaigns were working really well. I don't understand why they touched them. But anyway, they did. So now we're being called in order to find a solution again. And the solution that I have found is that I'm not running any CBO Advanced Plus campaigns because I have seen that they are working really bad comparing to ABO. So what I did is I used the same creatives, and in one case I was running them with CBO Advanced Plus, and in the other case I was running them with ABO Advanced Plus. And ABO Advanced Plus won 7 out of 10 times the ROAS of the CBO Advanced Plus. We'll go into my PC to show you the two settings and 1 or 2 examples of how I have seen it. Test it also, guys, and let me know if it's working for you better. ABO comparing to CBO Advanced Plus. Some of you who still don't have all of these changes, you can do the normal ABO Advanced Plus campaigns. Perfect, do it. And the other thing that I want to say before we go into my PC is that I do believe that we have a completely different mechanism of how CBO and ABO is working. CBO actually distributing from campaign to ad sets, and then from the ad sets to the ads, the budget. But on the other hand, on ABO, we have distribution from the ad set to the ads. This is why we see them having different behavior, and we optimize them in a different way. We have the CBO optimization that we optimize on the ad set level, and we have the ABO optimization that we do optimize on the ad level. And I'm seeing also different behaviors over there. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my new mentorship programs, and I would love if you go to the website. You're going to find the link in the description, or you can find it in the menu of my website, and over there you're going to be able to see the different mentorship programs that I have. You can find the one that is going to fit better your needs, and I will hope to see you there. So guys, I'm going to start with my initial testing over here. This is one of the many campaigns that I didn't test it. Basically, here you can see that we have campaign budget optimization, and here we have again campaign budget optimization, and here ad set budget optimization, which is the different two things. I'm going to show you a little bit in a campaign where to find it. Here I'm hiding the names of the codes here, but you're seeing that here we call it single items RL, multiple items RL, multiple items, and single items. Okay, it's some different campaigns that I did. You can see that the single items over here, it did actually really work. Okay, so in the same spend we are already on 2.48, and it actually worked better. And then we can see on the other one that I'm having 1.76 here with higher spends, but here I managed to actually optimize to a decent ROAS, and I think that this campaign is going to stay here, and I'm going to make it profitable compared to the other. Anyway, it's also the way that the campaign was behaving. These campaigns over here on the CBO level, they were behaving strangely. Now, when I create one campaign over here and I come to sales, I'm doing Advanced Plus, and I want to show you where this stupid setting is. Of course, I'm going to close the catalog. Here you can see that it gives you this option, and a lot of times people think that this is the only thing that you can do. If you hover over, and this is spooky meta again, hiding things. If you hover over, you're going to be able to find this and set it to ABO level. This is what I have seen that helped me a lot. Now, this campaign is not the same as the other style campaigns that we had, which had the campaign and the ad set just in one and then the different ads. I don't know if it's a different style of campaign. I hear a lot of people saying bad things about advanced plus campaigns right now. For me, they still work. But I have seen that with this small test, which I'm sharing with you today, that ABO has worked better than CBO. So maybe you can also test it. If you're listening to the podcast, you are learning all of this information much faster. But anyway, I cannot force you to hear me talking for 1 hour straight. Maybe you want something softer, which is this kind of videos. So guys, that's all I had. Do some heavy lifting for me, please, and do also your own tests and let me know. From my friends and other people, we have also seen that ABO was working better for us, but I would like to know if you have done this test also and you have any results. Maybe in 1 year from now, the CBO Advanced Plus is going to be the good thing and the ABO it's not, but for now, and for those that you're watching the videos every week, I can tell you that for me, ABO is working better. Don't forget, guys, that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, my course, my website, and my mentorship programs. And until we meet again, be creative and be consistent.